Can a British Lee Enfield number 4 Mark 1 rifle shoot better than 2 or 3 inches minus of angle at 100 yards? We have been told it is not possible. The rifle used is a Mark
Coge
1
ahora y
number 4 Start
échale.
long branch rifle manufactured in Canada during 1950. This rifle features the Sniper T configuration. It is a reproduction. The rifle maintains its aluminum butt plate, a wood chick rest. The rifle was fired on a bench rest with sandbags. It has a reproduction scope with reproduction mount and rings. The scope is a Leupold M8 12X fixed scope. It is a 1-inch tube that fits the ring. The elevation turrets are calibrated for 1/4 minutes of angle. The windage turrets have no clicks. Each mark moves the point of the bullet 1 inch right or left at 100 yards. We'll start our test with PPU 303 Mark 7 surplus ammo from Serbia. PPU Mark 7 surplus ammo, 10 shots, 100 yards, 3.5 minutes of angle. Next test, PPU commercial 303 British 174 grain ammo, 10 shots at 100 yards, and the groups are getting tighter, 2.5 minutes of angle at 100 yards. If we look at the PPU or Privy Partisan website, we notice that the 303 British 174 grain bullet has a ballistic coefficient of 0.496. If we use that information in the Hornady ballistic calculator, we notice that at 500 yards, the PPU commercial 303 British ammo will drop 73.5 inches. We also notice that at 1,000 yards, PPU commercial 174 grain bullets, it's supersonic at 1134 feet per second. It will also drop at 1,000 yards 476 inches. So we decided to reload PPU and Remington brass with Norma 202 smokeless gunpowder. Based on the reloading data, we used minimum load of 39 grains initially. We also used Sierra Matchkin .311 174 grain hollow point bolt tape bullet. First reload group at a velocity of 2440 feet per second, less than 2 inches groups. This group, 4 shots, less than 2 inches also at 100 yards with our first reload of 39 grains. Now we'll reload with 41 grains of Norma gunpowder. Groups are now less than an inch. The velocity is now 2600 feet per second. Another group, and this group is less than an inch, is between half an inch to 5/8 of an inch minutes of angle. For the first time, we're having groups of half an inch. This group is now 1 inch at 100 yards at a velocity of 2600 feet per second. Apologize for the technical difficulties. If we compare our max reload at a velocity of 2,600 feet per second, bullet weight of 174 grains, and a ballistic coefficient of 0.496 against a popular Winchester 308 ammo with a similar ammo weight, 175 grain, velocity of 2,620 feet per second, ballistic coefficient of 0.5, we notice that at 500 yards, 308 sniper match ammo, bullet will drop 62 inches. Our reload at 500 yards will drop 63 inches, only 1 inch difference. At 1,000 yards, our reload is supersonic at 1,205 feet per second, with a bullet drop of 412 inches. At 1,000 yards, 308 match ammo is supersonic at 1,221 feet per second, with a bullet drop of 402 inches, difference of 10 inches. We hope this information is of help to the 303 British community.